As Russian soldiers have become famous for leaving hatches open after abandoning their vehicles, it becomes much easier for the Ukrainian drone army, as seen here as this drone strikes a BMP-3. As there's a lot of ammunition inside, the open hatches make a hit very easy for a chain reaction. As an internal fire quickly breaks out, cooking the ammunition, absolutely destroying everything inside before detonating the remaining ammunition, blowing the turret and parts all around, tossing the turret dozens of meters up in a nice smoke arc, destroying another of Russia's BMP-3 with the help of their own crew, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.